Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I missed you all, long time no see, but I'm back. I'm ready. I got some new hair, so let's get into it, honey. So as you can see, I'm rocking a new do, and if you think it is my real hair, it is. It is. No, I'm playing. This is a wig, y'all, so yeah. I wanted to try something different, try something new, so I decided to get a short 90s inspired wig, a little pixie cut, if you will. So, if you want to see how I achieved this look, make sure to continue watching this video.
Hello? I wish I was a little bit taller. I wish I was a baller. I wish I had a girl who looked good, I would call her. Wish I had a rabbit in a hat.
Hey, ooh. Hey, so, period, got to get the face ready, period. So I'm starting this video right. I am getting them edges. As you can see, I got the fight back edges. Some things is a little thick. So we got to slick those things back. And I'm literally just taking a little bit at a time, making sure everything's sleek and all that. And I'm going to put that all in this little wig cap. And y'all, when I first got this wig, oh my lord, I was so nervous. The TikTok girlies convinced me that this was gonna be a good wig, a good, like a cute look. So I was like, all right, let me see what it do. It's only like $20, so I'm gonna get this wig, I'm gonna get it together and all that. And I ain't gonna lie, I am not gonna front. I was like, oh, this thing is gonna look crazy on me, I promise. So literally, this is me taking it out of the bag. And yeah, your girl was very nervous. I thought it was gonna look like a black Justin Bieber or something. I didn't know what the hell was gonna go on. But I was like, listen, I'm not gonna waste my 20. I think not. So we gonna make it work and do what it do, and that's what it's gonna do. As you can see by the wig, it's literally constructed like you could just like literally put that thing on. It has a couple of clips on the, I think it's only on the back and one in the front. Yep, one in the back, one in the front, nothing on the side. You just literally plop that thing on your head and make it work. And oh my god, have you guys seen that movie? Oh, I don't know the name. From Dusk to Dawn, I think, or something like that. Tell me why when I first put the wig on, I thought I looked like, oh dude, oh my god. I'm gonna put a picture in there because the wig was not giving. It was giving very much old man, very much Shirley from church, very much. I don't know. This old Shirley from church, she gonna pick up, she gonna be there early at the church house, and she got her tithes and offering, and she gonna judge you for not having your tithes and offering, because why ain't you got your tithes and offering? So look at me, I'm cracking up. Be for real. Be so for real. Like, look at this hair. It was a struggle. We were struggling. So I was like, I'm not going out like that. Because, I paid $20. Like I said, I know I didn't pre-did it. But I paid my $20. So I'm like, look, we going to style it. Because I'm looking for the Nia Long cut. You know what I'm saying? The cute 90s, just cut and swoop and a bang and a swoop and a swoop. So I had to get this hair together. As you can see, it was long in the front, and I was trying to figure out, okay, what exactly can I do to make it more stylish, but also still keep that 90s essence. So I went in and made a couple cuts, and y'all, don't come for me. Don't do it. Because I'm not a stylist, all right? I just be making things cute, but I'm not a stylist. So I really, I'm really trying to cut some, and I don't even really know what I'm doing, but I'm just trying to cut some, because look, I'm trying to do a little sunshine, get this hair together. Well, as you can see, I'm literally just trying to get them bangs out, making them look cute, because it was long as hell. I can barely see. I was like, This shit, we need to get this cutted right now. But literally, I wore the bangs out. Obviously, in the video, you'll see at the very end. But at the very end, I squished them things to the side. I done swooped. I did a little swoop bang. I'm like, let me swoop this thing. Let me get these bangs out of my head. But I like it either way. Both styles are very, very cute, in my opinion. And if you don't think they're cute, don't tell me, because I'm real sensitive about this hair. So don't tell me nothing. Just say, oh yeah, it was cute, girl. It was cute. Lie to me. But anyways, oh my goodness. I really liked how it came out. You can see I'm literally still fluffing these bangs. And look at them. I'm looking at it on camera and it's a little crooked. Y'all don't tell me. But if the bangs is a little crooked, whatever. I'm still fluffing out the hair. I'm still, trying to figure it out, make it do what it do, do something. Girl, okay, how much bangs are we gonna cut? Because it's like, we don't even have that much hair, you know what I'm saying? Like, girl, got this hair off Amazon, good old Amazon. And literally, I had saw, like I told you guys earlier, I had saw the look on TikTok. I was like, oh, this is cute. The other girlies, it looked cute on the other girls. So I'm like, yeah, I'm about to purchase this hair. Like, it's cute. I look it up on Amazon. I'm looking at some of the reviews. And oh my God, why are the Amazon reviews always a mess? Like, why? Can someone explain to me why people be leaving like the weirdest reviews? And then the pictures is always what gets me. It always sends me over the edge because them pictures be a mess. But anyways, back to the point. I ordered it on Amazon and I was looking at it, and basically Amazon was like, oh, it's at your front door because you was looking at it, so don't even worry about ordering, it's already here. I was like, oh, okay, cool. No, but I looked at it, I was looking at reviews, I was like, let's try something different, try something new. I've never in life done a Pixie short nothing. I like length. Okay, I like the hang time. I like my hair blowing in the wind, you know what I'm saying? Even though it's not my hair, it's my hair for the day. Shoot, I spent my money, so it's my hair. But yeah, I was like, let's try something different, friend. And then my dumbass was like, okay, let's do it. And then I got the wig and I'm like, oh, girl, what? But as you can see, I'm getting it together. It's getting progressively cuter. Look at her. I'm finna do my makeup, then I'm gonna come back and look at her. Bam. Yes, makeup did. Come on, makeup. Makeup's gonna get you right every time. I felt hella cute. I was like, okay, yeah. And look at me. Look at my wig. Look at how it played me. What? Girl. Okay, hold on. Look at it. Because I had to fix my headband. Shout out to my bestie for getting me a headband. But look at this. Where is you going? Like, where is you going? Stay in place. Where is you going? My wig was literally trying to expose me. I'm like, dang, good thing I didn't take this off in public, because sis was gone. She was gone. She was running like a drag star. But anyways, I was mad as hell. I was like, girl, stay in place. What you doing? You doing the most and too much at the same time. So I had to get my hair back together. I clipped it in the back. I put the comb in the front so it would stay. It would be there, staying. And I was feeling myself at this point. I was like, okay. I got a little Holly Berry. I got a little Nia Long. I got a little, the 90s baddie going. And I felt cute. And I'm looking at this video. I'm like, damn, bitch, you is cute. I'm like, damn, bitch, I am cute. But anyways, yeah. And look, baby was feeling herself. I got the bangies together. I had to put on my hoochie hoops because, the bigger the hoop, the bigger. Anyways, so I had to get my hoops on because I had to feel real cute, like real hoochie-like. And yeah, I was feeling it. Your girl, what? She did that. Ate it down. Give you 360. Yeah. Don't look at my kitchen because it was a little rough. But yeah. She's feeling real cute. I'm feeling like real chocolate. I'm feeling like Shirley, but this is a different type of Shirley. I'm coming in the church house and I'm still in the pasta. The pasta coming home with me. Period.
All right, beautiful folks, that was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, a comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell so you always know what's going on. And I will catch you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Till next time. I love y'all.